Embracing new technologies is everything. When people are resistant, they lose the ability to serve the client needs to the best of their ability. My name is Dina La Fonte. I was a specialist in recovery coaching, working with client care. As a company, we treat the whole person with a holistic approach. So if they're dealing with alcoholism and they either want to utilize a sober monitoring system to navigate transparency, to rebuild fractured dynamics due to lying or dishonesty, Soberlink can act as a liaison between building that trust and transparency and being able to open up the lines of communication through having the results shared. Soberlink plays into being very strong and consistent. And I think sometimes that becomes very lost in the chaos of being an alcoholic. So it serves as this neutrality place for a client who's trying to move forward and heal because they have something to build their self-esteem on them. It's like, wow, look, I did this. And now these people around me, whether it's my clinician, my therapist, my doctor, or my partner, they get to celebrate with me in that day. Alcoholics and addicts, we tend to be very crafty and we know how to get to our desired result. And so if I don't want somebody to know something, I'll go to a great length to conceal it. So Soberlink is a very simple system. It's transportable. It slips into a bag, a purse, a pocket. And during the setup process, it's determined who is getting these results. And on a daily basis, everyone knows what's going on. There's no way to be tampering with the device as far as the legitimacy of who is using the Sober. There's an identification process. It's very crystal clear. Coming into this field, I heard a lot of this is an accountability tool. It is, sure, but it's also a tool that could be utilized for bridging a gap of information. If it's a family member who is unaware of what Soberlink is, this is a way that you can feel relief as much as the individual utilizing this as a tool. It opens up dialogue, it creates consistency, and it's a level of transparency that should you feel you can't trust what's being said or that the wool is being pulled over your eyes, here, these are facts. And so you can be reassured if the individual is at your home or you're thinking about having this individual come back into the home. This might give you that extra layer of reassurance that you're seeking.